What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress Themes, and in today's video I'm going to learn how to fix this issue right here. Account storage is full. There is lots and many of emails that I receive that has no use and is occupying space. Let's learn how to clean this into 3 simple steps. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to your Gmail. I recommend you go on your desktop, but you can do this on mobile also, okay? First thing, go to the search field right here and type unsubscribe, just like this, okay? And here is all the promotional emails that you're gonna receive, okay? And you just can select it all and click on delete. Just like this. And you can repeat the process as many times as you need to free up space. After doing this, you will save a lot of space, but we can make it better. Once again, into the search field, we're gonna type size 2.1M. This will show you emails with enclosed things that have sizes bigger than 1 megabyte, okay? So you can review if the emails are useful, if the attachments are useful, and delete in the case that you want. Every single thing that I delete right here, for example this one, I'm gonna save at least 4 MBs, 5 MBs now. And this is what we got, okay? Then the last and most important thing for us, okay? Review the left sidebar of menus, click on plus, and go to manage subscription. Here is all the subscribed services that we have on my email. For example, this one, I'm not using this, so I can just click right here and unsubscribe. No more emails, no more things filling our inboxes, okay? Same thing right here, and right here, and right here. I think you guys did understand the process, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!